Today in Costa Rica, we are gonna go rafting, float rafting. Austin thinks it's gonna be a leisurely float.
I sure do.
So there's a thing over there that looks like a leaf, but it's really a bug. Oh, here we go. That's our boat for the day. You don't see this? Do you see it?
His one.
Look at him.
Goodness.
Oh my gosh, she's huge. Oh my god, Austin, there's a crocodile in the water. Remember how you said, oh, they're not scary? Where'd he go?